invention ever.
It did it this time. If you looked at the fuel, it didn't go up. So this truck's not going to start. Guaranteed. Okay, the battery light's coming on. All those all the engine lights are coming on, but the fuel gauge isn't going up. And now it won't start. See that? So there's something definitely electronical going on with this thing, because that's what I noticed the other day. The battery's going up. Obviously the oil pressure doesn't go up. The fuel light's showing empty, but the fuel isn't I can't hear the pump either. I don't hear the pump. I don't hear the pump pumping. Okay, there it goes. Now it went. Now you can see the fuel pump went up. And it starts right up. Man, oh man.